Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's start with Nasdaq here. For the 4-hour chart, what we are looking for is a very likely two probability here that are unfolding for higher prices somehow, where we got already, of course, the confirmation for higher yesterday, and we mentioned that this is a very likely an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is unfolding over there. But we gotta be careful from the triangle A, B, C, D, and E. Normally, it is a little bit impossible because as alternation here in this triangle, you need to find the alternation as a wave 2. So the time here of a wave 2 is horrible. Yeah, if you want to like alternate this wave 4 as a triangle, I cannot explain it. Yeah, so it's totally out of the scenario. Therefore, I think that, of course, the triangle is still there in case it is a wave B at the end, and that means large wave C is unfolding. But the question mark is why we cannot get such a large ABC toward the upside after wave 3 there. So it's also very far probability, guys. Highest probability is the ending diagonal toward the upside in a wave 5 because we need to finish, of course, after this wave 4, which is perfect as alternation. I would say that's totally fine. Having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, finishing up the things and pushing for a new all-time high, 31K is very, very likely. Internally on the 1-hour chart, we have finished our wave A there. We're looking for a very shallow wave B, and you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here to unfold for the wave C to hit, of course, our target 30K, 31K. And this is only your 1, 2, of course, your large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is what I'm expecting here. So a large wave C, hopefully, otherwise it's going to end up as a triangle in this case, in case we continue without a 3, 4, and a 5. Don't forget that this is a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so this is what we're looking for to reach the target. If not, then okay, things has end up here. So meaning if we take this, so new key level for today, by the way. So if we take this low there, this is our confirmation for lower. Yeah, so we gotta be careful. If we take it, it's a red flag. Red flag means, of course, it's a wave E, very likely to be in a wave E, and then pushing later on toward the upside. But why a triangle? That's horrible. It cannot be explained. Honestly, this cannot be explained as per alternation. A triangle, that means, of course, it can still be a wave 4, but it's horrible based on the timing, guys. But I don't think this. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna say that this is gonna happen already. So we'll see what's gonna happen. We're gonna take it easy and be patient. So for SPX as well on the 4 hours chart, the same thing as for Nasdaq. And now I'm wondering why we might get a triangle, no alternation at all here. Only the alternation for wave 4 can be taken from there, meaning I'm much more convinced in the ending diagonal again. Okay, so basically this wave toward the upside here, we were looking for the 886 check. So we took it. Very likely that we might invalidate the double 1-2 very, very soon. Confirmation for higher prices. 7K 526 is not taken yet, but very likely to be taken. So I'm gonna lay down here my A, B, and a C that it might be unfolding toward the upside here. So let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave A, wave B, 1, 2, and then okay, maybe another 1, 2 here. So we might have double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Yes, very likely to be. Well, signal that we're dumping here is of course this level where we are looking for confirmation for lower, meaning if the price gonna go back to this number, which is $7,433, then okay, it's a red flag. We're pushing downward again, okay, which is a wave E triangle. Horrible scenario. Hopefully not, guys. I hate it when it comes to something very complicated. I hope that it doesn't come to this area because I cannot really explain the wave 4 timing where you don't have anything as alternation. Yeah, so otherwise, again, I have to consider it wave B. And even when you take a larger look here, if I'm gonna consider 3 waves here, well, okay, then it's turning all of this something, yeah, something like I cannot really understand, guys. Yeah, so because you cannot have a large expanding flat just like that, a B and a C, that's impossible, that's horrible. Or a B and a C, that's horrible. Okay, so also it doesn't work. So that's why I'm much more convinced in the ending diagonal, guys. So let's hope that it will be the case scenario, not a triangle. Okay, so this is regarding SPX. I'm still looking for the 7K 600, 7K 650 as a target here for a wave 3 in an ending diagonal. For Dow Jones, we're looking already for something very strong, already showing some signal of strength here. The price is very stubborn and pushing higher and higher, and we're still looking for a possible extension as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal. I'm still looking also for this ending diagonal to finish a wave 5 here as a finished wave A, B, and a C, because or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, because we are in impulses, yeah, or in 5 waves expanding diagonal. I don't know why in wave 3, but if this is your 1, 2 there as a leading diagonal again, that means you're looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, we're looking to take also something below the 52K in case we are bearish. So if you are bearish, you don't want to break the 52 K 976, because the wave 5 becomes longer than wave 3. It's a very green flags, not just one flag, guys. That means we are in a very high impulsive wave 3. Okay, very high impulsive wave 3. That means something is unfolding here as a 1 2, and then 1 2, and then 3 4 5 4 5 toward the upside extension. Yeah, so we'll see how this is going to unfold, guys, step by step. Key levels are very essential to watch, and that's why we keep regular updates, guys, once we get our key level, because it shifts us to the next probabilities and next target. That's how it works always. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.